What's up, you guys? It's wash day and we're going to go from rusty, crusty, dry hair to healthy and hydrated hair. So bringing the curls back to life, and I'm also going to show you some behind the scenes. Let's get into this video.
Beats kicking, bouncing with it. I'm
going to be using Function of Beauty. I'm using raw sugar conditioner. I like this one. It's super freaking thick, you guys. And this is what I'm using to detangle, as well as my handy dandy fingers. Hey guys, so here's how I film myself in the shower. So first I like to take my tripod and I like to adjust the height so that it is at the tallest that it can be, because I'm 5'7" and we want to, match me at least. And then I like to put a towel down because I don't have a shower mat. If you have one of those, good for you. And this is just so the floor won't get damp because I'm not using the shower curtain. And then I just like to do like a pre-run, see how tall the tripod is. It was kind of short, but that's okay. Once I put the camera on, this is how it looks. Making sure I'm in angle, making sure I can see my hair, all that is good to go. So we're ready to film. This is a tripod that I'm using. It's from Walmart. This is a little flimsy, but it gets the job done. It worked out really well for me. I would definitely recommend this tripod. You don't need something super expensive, okay, you guys? I might be falling deep. I might be falling deep. Of course, wash day is not complete without singing in the shower. And Tim's Currently Has My Heart. I love that song. So I am soaking the water into my hair. It takes a little minute to get there, but once we do, we go in with our shampoo, get the roots, get the ends, get the edges, cleanse your hair. When you get this product, if you want to try it out, it's really moisturizing. I love this conditioner, but be mindful. It has a lot of product in it. You just have to pound it because it's like all trapped right here, and it's super thick. And I think the kind of bottle that this is, well, it is post-recycled plastic. I don't even know what the freak that means. Like, anyway, it's hard to get out. So you can, you see how hard I'm pounding it, and there's a lot in here. Oh, finally, it's coming down. You see it? It's gray. Get on cleaning. Ooh, okay, this shall be fun. I need to take me a quick few minute break. I feel like every time I jump out the shower or the pool or like anything related to water, I'm always freaking hungry afterwards. So I'm gonna eat really quick and then we're gonna go ahead and clean that bathroom. The good thing is it's just me, my daughter, my husband, so they know not to go in there and open that shower unless they want to see all that. I'm gonna go ahead and put me on a little bit of paternity court real quick. Just 10 minutes, just 10 minutes. And here is my setup for how I am filming putting a deep conditioner in my hair and my styling products. So as you guys can see, I have the camera set up in front of the window. Then I'm going to sit right there on the bed. This is the deep conditioner I'm using, you guys. This thing was so creamy and moisturizing. It literally was melting in my hair. I love this. That is my review, period. Under $10, definitely recommend. So I like to deep condition my hair for about 20 minutes, and I like to edit my videos while I am waiting. I use CapCut, that's the app. It's really a great app to edit videos for any influencers who's like, where do I start? What app do I download? Download CapCut and get the editing, make it your own style, and get creative. All right, we're done deep conditioning. Let's get unstrapped. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash this out. So here's how my hair is looking after the deep conditioner. And this video is in slow-mo, but my hair was super moisturized and hydrated. And this is how it looked after I styled it. Look, get the freak out of here, child. So this results was definitely giving grandma vibes, but it turned out so good. I only used one product after the deep conditioner, and this is how the results looked. It was so hydrated, bouncy, curly. I loved it. This is day one hair. It did loosen up over time, and it was super cute. Definitely subscribe to my channel, and I can definitely show you guys how I got these results, and stay tuned for more. Bye.